everyone, how's it going? I'm Julana and tonight is a very exciting night. As you can see, I'm standing here in front of the Los Angeles Zoo and we are about to go inside and check out their annual holiday event, LA Zoo Lights. This year, the event is completely reimagined. Everything is brand new, so I'm super excited to get inside and check it out. But before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep up with all of our animal adventures. So the very entrance of the park is actually this huge light display of the California condor, one of the endangered animals that was going extinct that the LA Zoo helped to revive and bring back.
The California condor has bounced back from the brink of extinction. This massive scavenger, the largest flying bird in North America, plays a crucial part in its ecosystem by cleaning up leftovers and reducing the spread of disease.
The bird's talking to you. That's so cool. All right, so the entire zoo is filled with these gigantic, gorgeous LED lantern displays that are representative of the animals that are actually here in the zoo that you can come and see during the day. I've spotted a wild Carson.
Yummy.
So, in case you're coming to the zoo with no children to watch, this is an activity you could do. Spider! If you want to know a fun fact, this is one of the endangered species that the zoo actually helped bring back.
Ring-tailed lemurs are primates who live in large troops which are led by a dominant female. They use their distinctive striped tails for balance and communication. cats love to swim, and tigers are equipped with webbed toes, which help them swim through the water to catch prey.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight at the LA Zoo for LA Zoo Lights Animals Aglow. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more animal content, don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss an adventure. See you next time.